See, all I need to do at that Hawaiian place is start recording.
Today is the most important decision in my life and has the most impacts for the rest of my life. We're either gonna get engaged or I'm leaving here alone. I actually grew up a little bit else through a lot together. We're super passionate about each other. We look out for each other. But I want somebody that can challenge me.
Imagining my life before you, I think that my life started when I met you. I feel like I was a little lost. I wasn't really sure
Ow! Toby, gentle.
who be my best.
Gentle! Why?
I feel like a better person with you.
What the hell? You crazy.
With you
You
too.
crazy. You crazy. Ah! Alright, Toby, say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody.
I'm really nervous. I don't know, it's getting real. It's getting really real right now. I love rock. Why I work hard, why I think about the future, why I plan for the future. Ever since I've been with her, she's made me.
so we have these blueberries here that we haven't touched in a long time. So I think I'm gonna just freeze these. Buy these little vacuum sealed bags from Temu. So I'm gonna use these and I'll freeze the blueberries and we can use them in smoothies or whatnot later on. But yeah, I just don't want it to go bad, and also I need some room in the fridge, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, I found it literally as soon as I was stopped looking for it. It was like, hey, I'm over here. So let's vacuum this up. So just like suction it up from here. It takes a little minute to I don't know, I feel like I might have to readjust this.